Hi everyone! We continue to develop our browser online game. In the last video we printed queue with warships, and in this video we need to fix this problem. And we have such problem because we didn't write backend code for deleting queues. So let's do it in this video, and we will go to code. And firstly, I need to make job for warship. Warship queue job. And what else? I will go to resource job, and I will have handle. I will copy handle method, handle function, and paste it here. In this job, I need to select all queues. Yep, and I need to handle every queues from collection queue. Okay. And I need to get all queue which are expired. Yep. So deadline, it's less than carbon null. So, and if it means that deadline is expired. So we need to get such queues. We can print it with dd, and we will see. But firstly we need to start our job. So we will go to web PHP, and here, yes, I need to run server start and warship queue job dispatch. I need to start it. Oh, server start. Okay. Yes. So we started it, and here we have data about warship queues. Okay, we have only one queue, and we have every data which we need. Okay, we need to for each every queues, and we don't need miner, gold, production. Now I think that we don't need anything of it. We just need to add warships to concrete city, and we can do it just with, I think that city, where find queue city ID, update, or no, not this. Okay, firstly we need to understand if we have any of ships in the city. So we need to find warships in current city, like Qt, for example, warship. We don't have such model. Okay. Warship, where user ID q user ID, where city ID q city ID, and where warship ID q warship ID. First. And if we have warship info, we need just increase the number of warships in the city. Qt, yep, yes, Qt by Qt. Okay, but if you don't have any warship info, so we need to create. So warship create. So user ID. So warship ID. And city ID. And Qt. Qt. So it looks okay. And here we don't need it. So just end. Okay. And we have one thing to do. Yeah, here after Q job is done, we dispatch resource job again, and we need warship Q job dispatch again too. So we need to restart our handle Q work, and it's failed. Why? I don't know exactly. We need to dump it. Yes, and the problem is that we don't have column warship ID because I made a mistake. I use warships ID, so I need to change database, warships table, warship ID, warship dictionary. Okay, and of course we need to refresh our database. And we need to start again. Okay, and we need to create, for example, one ship. So we have Q. But we need server start again. Yes, and yep, it looks okay. So we need to delete this, and it doesn't work again. So yep, here we have problem. Which one? I don't know. I will go to failed job. Okay. Yes, it's okay. It works, and warship. Yep, warships is incremented, but I didn't delete Q after all operation. So here I need delete it. Just delete Q. Okay, again. So sometimes I have some problems, but now it's okay, I think. Failed job, so we will see. Yeah, I know. It's because I dispatch two jobs at service provider. And this is a case when, for example, research job done, and it dispatches a research job and worship queue job together. But for example, previous worship queue job maybe is not finished. So I think that I can have some info from this. Yes, and maybe I can get some, for example, name of a job and dispatch only a job which was finished. So many fields. Maybe connection name. No. Maybe job and get name. No. Maybe get title. Or maybe we have queue here, for example, yes, and we can add get queue default. Yeah, I think that I can check queue name and dispatch all I need. So, but I need change it. I need change it here on queue resource. Yes, and on queue worship queue. Something like this. Yes. Maybe. And here, if get name equal resource, so I can dispatch new resource job on queue resource. If queue is worship queue, I can dispatch worship queue job on queue worship queue. Something like this. So, okay, let's do it again. Yeah, and right now it looks okay. So no more failed jobs. So, okay, and I will go to interface and create, for example, one more ship, create. So I have queue. Okay, it's done. No, it's not. It stopped. I don't know why. So I will research it. Yes, and the problem was that because queue have not default name, so I need to send the parameter of queue names, so research and worship queue, and it's okay. Again, yes, it's okay. And we had here some row, yeah, it exists, and it doesn't work because this queue of worship, it doesn't work, it doesn't call. Maybe I have some mistake. Yes. Maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know. I will delete it. And I will start again. Resource worship queue. And start. only resource job. Why only resource job? So I don't know exactly, but maybe I need to make it in other process. So for example, here it will be queue for resources. And for example, in new tab, it will be some queue work, queue worship queue. Yes, it looks like it works. So just stop it and stop it. And I need to remove it. Okay, so it's empty. I start queue resource, I start queue worship queue, and I start server. So queue job works correctly, and resource job works correctly too. Yes, it looks, yeah, it works. Anyway, here, yep, my queue is proceed. So, and I will create one new ship. I said one, okay, create. I had worship queue. Yes, I have one more ship. But I think that, oh, I need to slow down my commands. And I think that, I don't know why I can't dispatch my job every second. And because delay now at second, it works, but delay is not 1 second but 3 seconds, and it's too long. So right now I will try maybe sleep method here and here. So, and it's like, like a hack to get some 1000 seconds. 1 second. Again. Server start. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it works, and it works okay. It works correctly. It's okay for me right now. And as we see, yep, we updated queue table on front end. So in the interface, so we just need to update the number of ships. So we are getting this in our worship request, and we got just empty array, but we need to change it. Worship queue, so it's here in worship controller, city warships. We will go to city warships. I don't have such function. Okay, I will create one. Return has many warships. Warship class. I think it should work. So I will get warship, and yep, I got warships. Yes, city ID, QT, and ID of worship, and it's correct. So now we'll go to our React component, warships, and here we have worship create, and we have here, I think, yes, information about warships. Get warships, set warships. So, and here warships. Yes, and right now we can use warships variable. We can use, for example, qt prop, and there will be warships, not warships, but get qt item ID. So I will write function get qt, and here I will return warships find worship ID equal worship ID. If I have some qt, I will return it anyway, else it will be just 0. So worship ship ID, yes, something like this. Here it's a number and it's a number. Okay, and here, oh my god, we have props. We have current qt. Okay, we need to delete this and just left only this. And I think that it's enough. Yeah, I have 44 ship 1 and I can create one. I will wait just 10 seconds. Oh my god, and I didn't start queue job. Yes, processing. Yep, it's updated and yeah, we have 45. Okay. For example, we can create here this ship and, for example, two these ships. Yes, it works, but we have some latency, some lags. I don't know why, but yeah, we need to think about it. So we need to debug it. So I'm not sure exactly, but anyway. I will do it to prevent negative time. Yes. And again, I will try to create ship. Yes, I sent request. Yep, and it works. But I can say, I could see -1. -1, I don't know why. It looks strange, because I have condition. Again. Okay, I need to update database. And I will create one ship. I have queue right now because I didn't start server. And again, yes, it's okay. So anyway, it looks a little bit unreliable, so we will maybe change it, or at least we check it later, and we will decide what to do with it. So, and it's enough for today. In the next video I want to start make a map component and create some map, and we will choose some islands, and for example we will be able to attack some islands, or just, for example, send merchants to some islands to trade and get some money. Yep, so further we will make many interesting features. So, and for now it's enough. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.